Dave Ramsey just exposed one of the biggest traps draining American retirements, and most people still have no idea they're caught in it. But in just a second, I'll tell you about Jim, a 67-year-old retired pilot from Sarasota, Florida, who took Ramsey's warning seriously and shifted $514,300 of his 401k into something much smarter, something far more secure, something golden. But before we get into Jim's story, let's talk about why this is so urgent right now. According to the Wall Street Journal, over 2.6 million American retirees have shifted out of traditional retirement investments like bonds and mutual funds in just the past 12 months. Why? Because they've watched inflation torch their savings while the stock market feels more like a roulette wheel than a retirement plan. Even Dave Ramsey, famous for pushing mutual funds, is now warning against staying too exposed. In a recent episode, he called out risky broker advice and flat out said, "Too many retirees are sitting ducks for a market crash they can't afford." Now let's pause there. Because Jim, he heard that warning loud and clear. For 40 years, Jim flew commercial routes across the country. He scrimped and saved, built a nest egg just over $500,000. But 2022 shook him. Rising costs, volatile markets, and his retirement fund, down 18% in 6 months. He called his broker in a panic and was told, just write it out. Write it out? That didn't sit right with Jim. That night, he stumbled on a simple idea Ramsey hinted at, but never fully explored. Gold IRAs. It's not about putting everything into gold. It's about rolling over just a portion of your IRA or 401k into a self-directed gold IRA, a move that protects you from inflation, geopolitical risk, and Wall Street meltdowns. Jim didn't go to a sketchy free silver outfit. No gimmicks, no high-pressure sales. He started with a free guide, the same one you can get today, and a 15-minute education-first call. No commitments. No sales pitch. What he learned changed everything. A gold IRA gave Jim physical assets, real, tangible wealth that can't be printed, devalued, or hacked. While the dollar lost over 17% of its purchasing power in the last 4 years, gold gained. That meant Jim wasn't just protecting his money, he was growing it. And here's the kicker. That $514,300, it's now safely stored in a vault under his name, earning, growing, and giving Jim peace of mind. Look, if you've got $100,000 or more in a traditional IRA or 401k, you owe it to yourself and your family to at least understand this option. You worked your whole life to build your retirement. Don't let Wall Street's roller coaster wipe it out. And just like Jim, it starts with one simple, free step. Tap the link below to get your free gold IRA guide and schedule your zero obligation call with a real person. No pressure, no hype. Just straight answers. You'll walk away with clarity, maybe even a new sense of confidence in your retirement plan. And hey, if it's not a fit, no problem. But if it is, this could be the smartest move you've ever made. One call could protect the legacy you've worked your entire life to build. Start your story, just like Jim did, with the free guide below. You deserve peace of mind. Let's help you get it.